Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: controller layout, dead zone, and aim assist so you know the baseline. Then warm up for 10 minutes with tracking drills to prime your muscles. This builds consistency faster than random play. Once done, change sensitivity in small increments, about 5 to 10%, and test each setting over several lives. This methodical loop of tweak, test, and measure reveals what actually improves your tracking and flicks rather than guessing. You now refine execution by alternating focused drills, first tracking smooth, steady aim to follow a moving target, and then flicking short, decisive snaps to a new point. Practice across distances, 1 meter, 5 meters, and long range, because muscle memory differs by target size and speed. Record your sessions to observe micro adjustments that feel right but actually under or overshoot. Make sure to compare recordings to see patterns. Then correct one specific. You finish by locking a working sensitivity for at least 1 week so your motor memory consolidates. Frequent changes confuse learning. If aim becomes jittery, troubleshoot hardware, check dead zone values, test for stick drift, and consider turning off vibration to reduce noise. If performance is inconsistent, rest and reset. Short breaks, regrip the controller, and repeat controlled warm-ups to stabilize feel. One key tip: if progress stops, return to recorded drills to pinpoint the exact phase that breaks down and fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.